Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the dollar CAD, I still think this is a wave A. I still think we need to make three waves down for an A, B, C, or B, and eventually I think it needs to go back up for a wave C. So, taking it down to the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we've definitely been sideways for a weekly time frame. We've been sideways for a very long time now. I still think there's a good chance this has already found a high. I mean, yeah, we are going up pretty strong. Maybe it's going to be, go up and retest these highs, but I still think that at some point it is going to continue down for a wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the daily time frame, all you gotta do is draw a couple lines on this thing, and you can just see how sideways this thing has been for months now. And it may actually be going back up and retesting these highs. I mean, I guess we'll see. We're definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames because the daily definitely did break structure to the upside, so we are definitely looking for longs. So if it just keeps on drifting up, no big deal. If it does go up to a Fibonacci retracement level and break structure to the downside, then I'll just stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. I'm really just taking it one step at a time and just going with the flow. Going down to the daily time frame, like I said, I am definitely looking for longs right now. We looks like we're not respecting the 61.8% Fibonacci level, so we're definitely going to continue to look for longs. At this point, it's probably pretty likely it'll go up to the 78.6. If it does go up there, make that double top, make that break a structure, then I'll stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts. If it doesn't do that, then guess what? I'll just continue to look for longs every chance I get. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we had quite a few very nice entries over the last couple weeks. I mean, nice little 1, 2, 3 entries, a little 1, 2, 3 down, A, B, C down. That's exactly what I look for all day long is these three-wave counter trend moves, so that way I can go long at the end of the three waves for the continuation of the uptrend. So right now I'm definitely looking for longs. I 100% would not go long right now, but if price does make another three-wave pullback, that's exactly when I would start looking for longs for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.